Hello student, today we will learn English subject, unit number 1, lesson number 1.2, odd one in. In our previous lecture, we have done half of the lesson and we have seen that Malti and Rima, Malti she has come from village and she took admission in Rima school, and Rima was making fun of Malti because Malti was weak in English. So in their school, whatever question teacher asked, Malti always used to raise her hand and give correct answers. And teacher appreciated her every time. Rima and Malti took part in inter-house singing competition in their school. Rima sang English song and Malti sang Hindi song. And as soon as Malti finished her singing, principal was the first person to stand up and clap for her. After that, all teachers and students clapped. And Rima was very much jealous for this. So here we start rest of the lesson. Follow each and every word in your textbook. If you don't have, download Balbharti English textbook from Google. So no one was surprised when Malti won the first prize. Now Malti won the first prize because Malti had a very melodious voice, as if she has taken singing training from some teacher. She sang so well. So no one was surprised when Malti won the first prize. Rima did come first in her category. Somehow she felt no joy. Now Rima sang English song and in her category she came first. Then too she was not happy. She was feeling jealousy for Malti. As the term progressed, it was evidently clear. As the term progressed, it was evidently clear to all that Malti was a bright child. Now, as the days passed on, the first term finished, it was clear to all the students of her class, of her school, that Malti was a bright child. She was quite studious and intelligent. Now Malti was quiet. She never used to talk more. She was studious. She gave more importance to study. She used to keep herself busy and intelligent. She fared well in sports as well as in studies. Now, as she was good in studies, she was studious, she was good in sports also. Her her forte was mathematics. Means she was good in mathematics, her favorite subject. Her simple appearance, her simple appearance believed a sharp and nimble brain. Now, her appearance was very simple, oily hairs, long skirt, putting bindi and wearing long skirts. But she had a very sharp and nimble mind. Once if she listened anything, she used to remember. She was not forgetting. Means nimble means able to understand quickly. It means like that. Slowly, many of the girls began seeking her help in mathematics. Now, girls from her class was coming close to her and they were asking her help in mathematics because Malti was good in mathematics. Help which she readily and cheerfully gave. Now, whoever came close to her and wanted help from her, she was always ready and gave her help cheerfully. She never said no to anyone. She was always ready to help others. The teacher had liked the respectful, intelligent girl from the beginning. The day Malti joined the school, she used to give respect to teachers. So teachers also liked her behavior. They also liked her respectful nature, respect for teachers and all students from the beginning. Now girls from the class also befriended her. Now the girls from her class who did not make friendship with her but looking at her behavior, they came close to her and became friend of her. Not Rima and her clique though. Now here clique, CLIQUE, clique means gang, which doesn't allow other to join their group. Not Malti and her clique though. They stubbornly dislike Malti. Miss Rima and her gang did not like Malti because Malti was not stylish. They were a stylish lot and nothing. And Malti could alter the fact that she was not their type. Malti was a simple girl. They never lost a chance to poke fun at her, particularly her English. Now, Rima and her gang, they never lost a chance. Every time they used to tease Malti for her English because Malti was weak in English. Malti felt bad about their behavior. When Rima and her friend were teasing her for her English language, Malti felt bad for their behavior, about their behavior. One day she was on the verge of tears when Rima mocked at her mercilessly because she said ask instead of us. So one day what happened? Malti was crying because she said ask instead of us, and Rima and her gang, they all were laughing at her and hear her voice trembling. Malti said, I know my English is weak, yours is good. Please, will you help me to improve it? Now, Malti said to Rima that I know my English is weak and your English is very good. So, I request you to please help me to improve it. So, what Rima replied, I won't be able to help you, my dear, replied Rima with an exaggerated accent. In a very loud sense, in a very loud voice, she replied to her, I won't be able to help you, my dear. Speaking proper English isn't easy for you, countrified type. You came from other state and speaking English is not so easy for you. Malti face turned red. Now Malti face has turned red. She got very angry. She wanted to retort but could not find the right word. She also wanted to give back answer to Rima. She also want to about to say something, but she could not find the right word. She burst into tears and ran away. She burst into tears. She started crying and she went away from there. That was horrid, Rima, she said Shehnaz. Now Shehnaz, she was friend of Rima, and by such behavior, Shehnaz said to Rima, that was horrid, Rima. Yes, agreed Neha and Claire roundly. Neha and Claire, they also were friends of Rima, and they also agreed what Shehnaz said. Rima was shocked. Her own friend had turned against her. She walked off in a huff. Now, as Shehnaz, Neha, and Claire, they all pointed out to Rima only for her such bad behavior. Rima was shocked. Her own friend had turned against her. She thought that these are my friend, and now they are talking in favor of Malti. She walked off in a huff. Mrs. Sen found her subdued over lunch, but decided not to ask anything. Rima knew that she had behaved very badly. She was too proud to admit it even to herself. Mrs. Sen found her subdued over lunch. Now Mrs. Sen decided not to ask anything. Rima's mother, subdues means what? Unusually quiet. Subdues means unusually quiet. When they were having lunch in the afternoon time, Rima's mother decided not to ask anything. Rima knew that she has behaved very badly. Even Rima realized that what she was doing is wrong, but she was too proud to admit it, even to herself. So, this lesson we have finished here. Now, exercise to this lesson I'll be giving you in this video, that you have to see and write it in your English notebook. English notebook, you have to write it down. You write this in your notebook, English notebook, and send it for correction on my personal number. See, as we all know that due to COVID-19 lockdown, our school is not reopened. Though we have started our studies online. So you all must be not having workbook. So I am giving you the notes that you have to write in notebook. I am giving you exercise, you write in notebook. So first write the meanings. Shrugged, raised the shoulder slightly to indicate doubt, ignorance, and or disinterest. Grimaced, made an ugly expression with the face to show pain, disgust, etc. Mimicked, imitated in an unkind or disrespectful way. Dot on, feel and show great love for someone. Chorus, many people saying the same thing together at the same time. Beamed, smiled happily. Cattily, unkindly, spitefully. flushed, became red and hot, recounted, told, uncharitably, unkindly, or unfairly, snidely, in a nasty manner, atrocious, of a very poor quality or very bad. Attitude, the way one think and feel about something. Snob, a person who think he or she is much better than other for some reason. Crooks, make a rough, low sound like a frog makes. Jeer, make rude remark in a loud voice. Nimble, able to think and understand quickly. Befriended her, became friends with her. Clique, a small group of friends who do not allow others to join them. On the verge of someone, very near to something, roundly, in an emphatic manner, in a hoop, in a bad mood, after being angry or upset, subdued, unusually quiet. Now I will show you the exercise question in this video. Seeing this video, you write it down in your English notebook. Write all the spellings properly. Write all the spellings properly. Now you won't have any problem. Especially the weaker students will not have any problem. They can see this and note down in their notebook. So thank you so much. Have a good day.